Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest reviews and tech tips. Today, we're taking a look at the X15 Wholesale Tws Earphone Bluetooth Wireless Without Box V5.1 in-ear headphones. Let me tell you, these earphones are an absolute game changer. With Bluetooth 5.1 technology, you'll experience seamless connectivity and crystal clear sound quality. No more dealing with tangled wires or constant interruptions, just pure, uninterrupted music and calls. These earphones are not just for music lovers, they're also perfect for gamers and active individuals. With a sporty design and secure fit, they stay in place no matter what you're doing. Plus, the battery life is seriously impressive. You can enjoy hours of use without needing to constantly recharge. And here's the best part, you can grab a pair of these incredible earphones at an amazing price. With the link in the description, you can get your hands on the X15 Wholesale Tws Earphone Bluetooth Wireless Without Box V5.1 in-ear headphones. Trust me, once you try these, you won't be able to go back to regular earphones. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below and treat yourself to the ultimate wireless earphone experience. Don't miss out on this deal. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment letting me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.